Hello. So tonight we're going to review the newest purchase that I got for the tools in my workshop. This is a full manual screwdriver set. Regular $79.99 on for $29.99 at Canadian Tire. It's Maximum brand name, which is Canadian Tire's brand name. And so first thing to note, that's a lifetime warranty. So unless you didn't break it due to your own inabilities to keep your tools working properly, lifetime warranty. So they will fix or replace this tool, as well as if they don't have it in stock anymore because they're on to the next model, you'll most likely end up getting that. But of course, all of that is at their discretion. All right, so let's take a look at it here. So I'm going to open it up. So that's just the box here. Oops, that's upside down. Oh, it wasn't upside down. Okay, so we'll set that aside. And this here, it comes with a nice kit bag, which is great because you can either keep all of your new screwdrivers in this, or you can transport them around for jobs you're doing, whether around the house or out on your job site. All right, so let's get this. So I want you to be able to see what's actually happening here. So when we open up the bag, that's nice. I like that. Everything is sealed into one container, one package. I mean, so the likelihood of someone taking something out or gone missing, less likely for that to happen. All right, so let's open this up. There's no seal, so I guess we just open it up anywhere. I don't even need it. Nope, we don't. All right. So what's nice about these is, as you can see, it puts the what each of the screwdrivers are right on the tip of them. Okay. Let's get that tilted up a bit more. Okay, so still not enough. Okay, so let's get this. Put a nice piece of wood there for our surface. All right. Okay. So anyway, so they're all here. What's nice is that you also have nice beak, durable screwdrivers like this, which can be used for prying when need be, if need be. I'm also noticing too that we have even the small, so even down to small electronics, which is great. I also read on the box that the steel the way this is made up, it's supposed to be more durable. One of the reasons why I'm getting a new set of drills and bits is because the ones I have now, basically, they're pretty much stripped. So it makes it a lot harder when you're trying to get a tight bolt. And that's another thing too. Alright, so now you also get, let's push that aside for a sec. You also get these, which is great. You get these little bits. Okay, so you get these, you get those, and you get those. Okay, so one of these, obviously, this one, allows you to use the bits. Now, one of the reasons why I really like these two is that sometimes you find yourself in a position where there's a screw that you just can't get out because it is so tight. So basically, if you have this into the screw and you're turning and turning, you can't get it turned. Well, these have hexagonal shafts. So basically, you get the wrench that actually fits it, or just use an adjustable wrench. And now you have the leverage and the torque so that you can now help get that really tight screw loosened. So that is my unboxing of the Maximum 50-piece screwdriver bit set, lifetime warranty, at your Canadian Tire store. Regular $79.99, $80. Got it today for $29.99, $30, and that's a real good deal considering that for the life of these screwdrivers, if I have an issue with any of them, and it wasn't just because I was misusing them, I just bring it back with the receipt, which I scanned into my phone, by the way. Great way to start keeping your receipts in case you lose them, and just go back in and you're good to go. All right, if you like what you saw, please leave a thumbs up, and better yet, please hit the subscribe button. All right, have a good day. Bye.